So let's take a look at what we're going to be expecting for the day on our Swiss franc JPY. So remember, we need to take a look, we need to know our trend. So these are the first rule of trading. We need to know the trend. Second rule of trading is trading the trend. So before that, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you don't miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now, guys, if you take a look at this trend, right, so what can you say the trend is on your Swiss franc JPY? This is very clear that Swiss franc JPY is an emerging market, right? So market was able to rally up to tap our resistance, right? Then it's eventually rejected from the resistance and dropped to tap our support, right? Market eventually rejected from the support level and came back to tap our resistance. Then it's rejected from the resistance and dropped to tap our support, right? Market eventually rejected from the support level and came back to tap our resistance. Then it's eventually rejected from the resistance and dropped to tap our support, right? Now market is at this it has now rejected, right? It is doing what it is now dropping. So now this is the movement, right, you guys? So this is our low. This is the lower high, right? So market was able to drop again to form a new lower low. This is the lower high, right? So with this lower high, we should expect market to what eventually drop to form a new lower low, thereby taking out this low. So guys, whatever you want to be doing on your Swiss franc JPY, you want to be going for the sell. So a bearish move is what you should be expecting for the day. So look to going for the sell by the way for the day. So guys, now let's look at our forward time frame. So what can we see the forward time frame is right here? Low, lower high, lower low, and lower high, right? So market was able to jump to form a new lower low. Here comes the lower high. So with this lower high, we should expect market to drop to it is able to form a new lower low. So guys, we are expecting for a sale for the day. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So make sure you subscribe in order for them to miss out on the updates.